Hello, I will explain to you the Roof Rocks bar system that we manufacture. The screws and connection feet are made of stainless steel. Lightweight and durable 3mm side rails and crossbars. Total product weight is 27 kilograms. Lightweight aluminum front wing cover. Lightweight aluminum front wind cover. We attach the base seal to the bottom part. We attach the stainless steel legs to the roof bracket. We have started assembling the product. Initially, we screw all the parts lightly. After all necessary parts are installed and adjusted, we can proceed with the tightening process.